Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rosemary Renders, in case you are new here or you're passing by. And on today's video, as you all know, we are in the spirit of the season. Yes, we are in a Christmas season. Yes, so a lot of things are happening, but no matter what is happening, it's not going to stop us from celebrating this period. As a matter of fact, around this period, I have this amazing feeling, you know. I feel so special. I'm overjoyed. I don't know why, but I think Christmas is a month of, a month of exceptional happiness. So today, I'm bringing it to you guys. Looking forward to bringing up different kind of Christmas look. So this is one of it. It's something that anyone can wear out. You can wear it especially on a Christmas Eve. You know, we are in a holiday period. So feel free, do whatever you want to do. Wear kind of eyes look. You know, so I am going to show you all how I achieve this. So if you want to know how I achieve this, stay put, don't go away. But before we go into that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, consider clicking on that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time a new video comes out. So what are we waiting for? Let's do it. So we start by priming the eyelid. Yeah, I got a new brush from Morphe M173 mini buffer. So let that one I use rest a bit. So we start by priming the eyelid. To prime my eyelid, no matter what I do, no matter the kind of eyeshadow I'm trying to apply, because it helps the eyeshadow to transit so well. So that's the first thing. So today I'll be using previously I used Remote 01 for my base, but today I'm going to use Remote 02, you know, kind of alternate and see what it looks like. So I'm using P. Louise Remote 02. So I go ahead to place it on the eyelid, gently smooth it out using the brush. I quite like the brush, it's very soft. So I'm done with the base, so I have to go ahead to start applying the color. I actually got this Carnival 3. I love this palette. It's from Be Perfect Cosmetics. It's so amazing. The colors, I've not used it, but it looks so beautiful. Look at that, the colors. So that is what I'm going to use, you know, as we're in the season. I'm glad I have this because it's literally have all the colors you can play with during this festive period. I'm going to start off with the color called Sand. I'll go ahead to place it under my crease. So I'm using the brush from MUD number 800. I'm going under my crease, giving it a guideline so that when I'm applying the green color, it won't go above the crease. So this is actually giving me guideline so that when I'm applying the green color, I will actually know where to stop and where to go. So now that I'm done with blending the sand, so I'm going to go with the tan line and mix it with the cocoa. I will go a bit lower than the crease. So I go ahead to use this brush from MUD Cosmetics 610 to diffuse the color. So it's time for the green. So actually I thought I'm going to get the kind of green I'm looking for in this palette, but unfortunately they got the whole green but not exactly what I want, you know, as you can see this one, but these are kind of a little bit powderish, so it's not really what I want. So I'm going to jump into this one. It's Ace Beauty Oceanic palette, you know. So actually I'm going to make use of this green, this. So let me try my finger and see how it goes. Look at that. Can you see that? It's in the shade of Mycons. Okay, I'm actually looking for a flat brush. Looking for a flat brush because the one I got, I don't really like it. So I go with this, though it's not that flat. I hope it comes out the way I want. Normally I cut grease applying this, but today I decided not to cut grease. I'm just using it direct. Let me see how it will come out. So I go ahead to use the same brush I used before to apply the tan line and sand, Morphe in the shade of 224, to use it to diffuse the green at the crease area. Look at that green. It's so beautiful, so colorful. Oh my god. So here I'm using cocoa. It's a bit brownish than the first one I used, so I use it here to diffuse the color of the green. It's brownish to green. Okay, we're going to go to the black color at the outer corner of the eye. I'm still using the Carnival. I'm going to take this. It's called Black Beach. So we start by gently applying it at the outer corner of the eye there. Remember, I applied the shade before, never to go above the crease. So I'm just gently placing it there. Using this brush from, it's called Eyeshadow. I think I got it from a local shop here. Yeah. So I'm going to add this color at the outer corner here in the form of V. So I go ahead to build up the intensity, adding a few layers, because the more the black, the more the intense of the black, the more beautiful it looks. Now I'm done with the amount of black I want. I go ahead to use this brush. I got it from Body Shop, number R51E. So I use it to diffuse the color, and when you're diffusing the color, you have to be gentle. Not black is not something that you need to rush to blend. You have to gently blend that color in. I'm just staring, I don't know why. As you can see, there is a bit dark, so I have to go ahead to diffuse it. I'm going to mix this one this one and this. I'm going to use it to diffuse around the crease area. So that the dark, so that the darkness will not be so so I don't know how to explain it, you know. But this, you can see the dark, but it's so soft dark color, you know. So remember I'm doing this at the crease area. I'm blending it in so that it will blend in with the green color. So I go ahead to blend it with the fluffy brush, making sure that everything blends together and transition will be so smooth. So you go ahead to, in order to bring the intensity of the black, you know, after we blend the crease, you go ahead to apply more of the black to bring the intensity at the outer corner of the eye in the V shape. So now we're done with this. I think the dark color is the most difficult one to blend. So I'm done with this. I'm going to use this liquid eyeshadow. It's glitters. Previously I want to use another one and I want to use this, but I don't think it goes, so I decided to use this one. It's from Beauty Bay. You should know that's most of my makeup product comes from Beauty Bay. So I go ahead to lay it there just gently so that you make a mess. Look at that. Oh my god, this is my first time of using this. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. All you need to do is just to take your time in the case like this, but when you're going first with this, you have no problem, just to apply it and further blend it the way you want. I must say it's so beautiful. Color, it's amazing. So can you spot the difference? I love it. So I go ahead to do my liner. I've done this already. I try as much as possible to make it to be natural. I don't want to go wing liner. I just want to make it natural. And I'm making it as thin as possible. So I go ahead to use this sand and cocoa at the down at under my waterline. And I still go ahead to intensify the waterline. I go and mix this, the black beach and the cocoa. Oh my goodness, I'm tearing. And when I'm done with that, I go ahead to line the waterline to intensify the dark color there. I'm done with the eyes. I'm going to tidy it up. I will go and do the makeup of the camera and I will be back. So don't go away, just okay. Now that we've got our face done and our eyes done, so we go ahead to apply the lip color. First of all, I'm going to use this MUD pencil in the shade of 01F8, right? Yeah, 01F8. First of all, use it to line my lip before. First of all, use it to line my lip before I can go ahead to apply the lip color. And in case you are going to apply your pencil before your lip color, make sure you blend it out before you can go ahead to apply your lip color. For you to get a perfect lips, you need to use brush so that even if you cannot smile, you will not see any cracks in between your lips. So I'm going to use this glitter primer. Is actually glue for the glitter, so I'm going to use this on my lips. Thereafter, I go ahead to apply the glitters. So go ahead to apply the glitters. So now that we're done with our lips, we go ahead to get our lashes done. In case you've not seen the video, there is a video I made, my first video. I'm going to drop the link at the description box in case you want to know how I get the lashes slayed, or you are learning how to fix lashes and you've been finding it difficult to get your own lashes fixed. So with the video, it will be so easy for you to learn how to get your lashes done. The lashes is my lash line. It's called Wings by Roses Glam. So if you want to know more, we're looking for distributors. Want to become one of our distributors, just get in touch with us on our Instagram handle. The link is down there, so just get in touch to talk about the business. So we go ahead to get our lashes fixed. If you want to know how to fix lashes, like I said, just the link is right down there in the description box. Just check it out and you will find it so easy, so simple to get your lashes fixed. I'm done. What do you think about this video? Is this something that you can wear on Christmas Eve? Just rate this video from 1 to 10. Me, I'm giving it 9.5/10. So leave your comment at the comment section, like this video, share it, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, consider clicking that button right down there, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to notify you each time a new video goes up. So thank you for watching, and I will catch you up in my next video. Ciao.